Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn division of fractions. Actually, in our daily life, do we want to divide fractions? I have half of an apple. I want to divide this half into two equal halves. Then as a fraction, how can we tell that part? It is a quarter. I want to divide half by 2. The answer is quarter. How to take this one without diagram? Do you remember? In our multiplication video, we discussed multiplying by half is equal to dividing by 2. In the same way, dividing by 2 is equal to multiplying by half. Actually, if you want to divide any fraction or any number by 2, you have to multiply that number or fraction by half. If you multiply half by half, you can easily take 1 over 4 because we have to multiply the numerators together. 1 times 1 is 1. Then denominators together. 2 times 2 is 4. That is the way of dividing fractions. Actually, we don't have to divide fractions. We have to convert it into a multiplication and we have to multiply them. Then we can take the answer. Before that, I want to teach you the reciprocal of a fraction. Look at this fraction 3 over 4. The reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. We have to interchange the numerator and denominator. We have to make them upside down. Then 2 over 9. Reciprocal of 2 over 9 is 9 over 2. Look at this one. Reciprocal of 1 over 5. Reciprocal of 1 over 5 is 5 over 1. There is no use to write denominator as 1. If you divide any number by 1, we can take the number itself. So the reciprocal of 1 over 5 is 5. Then what about the reciprocal of 8? 8 is a whole number. We can consider denominator of 8 as 1. So we can write the reciprocal as 1 over 8. The reciprocal of 10 over 3 is 3 over 10. Now you know what is a reciprocal. We have to use this reciprocal when we divide fractions. I will take the same example I used previously. 1 over 2 divide by 2. As I told you, when you divide fractions, you have to convert it into multiplication. 1 over 2 multiply by 1 over 2. I have taken the reciprocal of 2. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2. Then we have to multiply two fractions. We know how to multiply two fractions. We have to multiply numerators together and we have to multiply denominators together. It is 1 over 4. We learned multiplying fractions in our previous video. If you know multiplication of fractions, division of fractions is very easy because we have to follow the same steps, only we should know the reciprocal. Shall we see some more examples? Our first example is 3 over 5 divided by 2. First, we have to write this division statement as a multiplication statement. For that, we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. But don't change the first fraction. 3 over 5 multiply by 1 over 2. 2 is a whole number. The denominator of 2 is 1. When we write the reciprocal of 2, we have to write it as 1 over 2. Now there are two fractions. We can simplify. We have to multiply the numerators together. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 2 is 10. I multiply the numerators together. It is the numerator of the answer. Then I multiplied the denominators. That is the denominator of the answer. 3 over 10. Next one. 5 over 8 divided by 5. This one also we will write as a multiplication statement. We have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. 5 over 8 multiply 1 over 5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. Now we have taken two fractions. We have to multiply the numerators together and denominators together. 5 times 1 is 5. 8 times 5 is 40. 5 over 40. You can see here we can divide both 5 and 40 by 5. To take the lowest form, I will divide both numerator and denominator by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Answer is 1 over 8. Otherwise, we can use the cancellation method. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then directly we can take the answer. 1 times 1 is 1. 8 times 1 is 8. 1 over 8. Next one. 6 divided by 1 over 3. This one also we will write as a multiplication statement. 6 multiplied by 3 over 1. Is it compulsory to put this 1 here? 3 over 1 means 3. So no need to write the denominator as 1. We have to multiply 6 and 3 together. 6 times 3 is 18. Answer is 18. It is the whole number. Next one, 10 divided by 5 over 7. First we will convert this division into multiplication. 10 multiplied by 7 over 5. We have to interchange the numerator and the denominator. It is the reciprocal. 5 over 7 should be 7 over 5. You can see we can easily simplify here. We can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then we can multiply the numerators. 2 times 7 is 14. Do we need to multiply denominators? Here denominator is 1. So final answer is 14. Next one, 7 upon 11 divided by 3 upon 4. First convert this division into multiplication. 7 over 11 multiply 4 over 3. Reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. There are no common factors to both numerator and denominator. So we can multiply the numerators together. 7 times 4 is 28. 11 times 3 is 33. Answer is 28 over 33. Next one, 3 over 8 divided by 6 over 7. We'll write the multiplication statement. 3 over 8 multiply by 7 over 6. Reciprocal of 6 over 7 is 7 over 6. First we'll simplify this 3 and 6. We can divide both 3 and 6, both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now we can multiply the numerators. 1 times 7 is 7. We'll multiply the denominators also. 2 times 8 is 16. Answer is 7 over 16. Shall we divide a mixed number by a fraction? If you are given a mixed number to divide, first you have to convert it to an improper fraction. So I will convert 1.5 into an improper fraction. Multiply the denominator by the whole number. 2 times 1 is 2. At the denominator, 2 plus 1 is 3. Numerator is 3. Denominator should be 2. It is same as the numerator of the mixed number. 3 over 2. That is an improper fraction. And we can convert this division into multiplication. Then we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal of 5 over 6 is 6 over 5. Now we have taken two fractions. If you want, first you can multiply the numerators together and you can multiply the denominators together and take the answer. Or otherwise, first you can divide. We can see there is 6 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. We can divide both 6 and 2 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now we can multiply the numerators. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 over 5. That is an improper fraction. We will divide 9 by 5. There is 1 5 in 9. So the whole number is 1. 4 is remaining. So numerator is 4. Denominator is 5. 1 and 4 over 5. Now we will divide a mixed number by another mixed number. Then what is the first step? We have to convert both the mixed numbers into improper fractions. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 at 2 is 8. 8 over 3. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 at 4 is 13. 13 over 9. If you want to learn how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions, watch this video. Now we can convert this division into multiplication. 8 over 3 multiply by 9 over 13. The reciprocal of 13 over 9 is 9 over 13. Now we can simplify. We can divide both 9 and 3 by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now we can multiply the numerators together. 8 times 3 is 24. Then we will multiply the denominators. 1 times 13 is 13. 24 over 13. It is an improper fraction. We will convert it into a mixed number. In 24 there is only 1 13. So whole number is 1. Remainder is 11. So numerator is 11. Denominator is 13. Final answer is 1 and 11 over 13. Now we have come to the end of our video. Today we learned how to divide fractions. We'll meet in another mathematical video. Until that, subscribe our YouTube channel, share the video with your friends, stay safe, goodbye.